Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you a website that you can use to earn real PayPal money simply watching videos on the website. But before we get started, before I even show you, I need to ask a quick favor of you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new content. Once again, hit that subscribe button, leave a like. And now let's get into today's video. So what I'm showing you right here is Hideout TV, hideout.tv. What you do when you first get to the website is very simple. You sign up with an account. Either you sign up at Facebook or your Google, or you can just make one using your email. Once that's done, it's fairly simple. What do? Well, you're going to go over to the video section where it's discover videos. You can go to the latest videos, or you can go to the most viewed. But typically you go to the latest one, and from there you will start watching these videos. And what happens is you essentially get points, okay? You're gonna get points that are gonna go right into your account, right after you watch a video. Now, what happens then? These points can be redeemed for real PayPal money, guys, straight to your PayPal account. And the great thing about this website is they have a variety of content. A lot of websites out there, guys, a lot of video websites out there, they're gonna have you watching ads. They're gonna have you watching advertisements, app trailers, movie trailers. This is different. This is different because you're actually watching real content. You're watching content from independent creators, video creators. And another great thing is you could sort it by what you like. If you're into video games, you go over to gaming. If you're into food, you go into food, go into celebrity, go into tech talk, TV party, viral videos. You could get a video for whatever you're in the mood for. And the best part is you get real PayPal money. Once again, it's fairly simple, guys. You go to the website, you sign up using Facebook or Google or your email, and you could start right away. It's fairly quick and fairly straight to the point. Overall, guys, this is a fairly simple website to use. You're not going to get rich off it, but you can definitely earn a decent side income doing it. Some spending money, some investing money, some money to pay off some of your bills. This can be an okay source of side income. Again, I have to stress you are not going to get rich off this. This is not a replacement for a 9-to-5 job, but it is a nice little pastime. If you already like watching videos, why not get paid for it? Fairly simple, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I will catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.